Kitty bouncing, kitty bouncing, kitty bouncing, yeah. Body energy, mama don't need bad energy. Please don't go bad, yo.
Hey guys, it's me Elise, and I hope that you guys are all doing well. Welcome back. I am back with a new video. So I have a new wig from UNice, and I will have all the information and details located in the info section below. Here's everything that I received with my wig, and let's go ahead and get into it. So the wig that I picked up this time is their glueless V-part wig, and it's in that kinky curly texture. My wig is 20 inches long. Now with this particular wig, you can either use leave out or without any leave out. You do have those clips, combs, and an adjustable strap, so therefore you get a glueless install. Now I did put this wig on off camera, and at first I wanted to wash it out, but I don't think I needed it. I felt like these curls were absolutely gorgeous on their own, so I just left the wig as such. Now you guys do see that my hair is braided back, and I was trying to decide on whether I wanted to blend in some of my natural hair in with the wig, but ultimately I decided that I wasn't going to use any leave out, and I wanted to kind of wear this V-part wig as it's intended. So I will just be installing the wig straight up how it's supposed to be installed, without any leave out, without any hair hacks, nothing like that. Now I did want to give you guys a quick warning, because this wig does have those wefted clips, and these clips are known to rip through anybody's natural hair, so be very careful when installing these to your hair. You can also use a needle and thread to sort of install this wig, or you can use some bobby pins. I am comfortable with using these clips just because I know that I'm very careful and I'm not going to be yanking the wig around or anything like that. But once again, you guys be very careful. Now I'm just using my edge brush just to kind of fluff out that area along the parting space, just because I do still notice the band showing through. So a good way in order to disguise that area is just by fluffing out the little fine hairs just along that area. So I do have plenty of V-part wig install videos, so in case you guys are interested in seeing how I use a little bit of leave out in order to blend my natural hair in with the wig, or if you guys want to see me or Alicia do the crochet hack, so therefore you don't have to use any leave out but you can still get a very flawless install, be sure to check the links below, and I'll also link them in the cards above as well. But right now I am just cutting a few of the curls towards the front of the wig in order to sort of create like a little bit of dimension and frame my face, and then I'm using some of my curling cream to redefine those curls and make them look less blunt towards the end. So now I'm just gonna revisit the V-part wig area again, and I'm just using a fine-tooth comb just to sort of create some frizz up there. I noticed that once you create some frizz, you can definitely disguise that area along the V-part, or you can take small pieces of the hair, and I'm just using some of that curling cream to redefine it. Then I'm gonna cut it down just to where it falls over like that wefted area that you kind of see peeking through along the V-part. This is just going to somewhat disguise that area so it's less noticeable, or if all else fails, just blend in some of your hair. I have tons of videos that you guys can check out, but for the most part, this is what this wig is looking like. This is like the ultimate 5-minute throw on and go wig, and in my opinion, I think that this is like next up to the headband wig, because the headband wig was cool, you can throw it on, but it was always kind of giving me like a gym vibe. But with the V-part wig, it does require a little more effort, but it literally can look like your own natural hair or like a full wig. So pretty much you're getting more of a full look, but you're still protecting your natural hair underneath it, so that's a plus in my opinion. This wig is also super breathable, therefore you can definitely get away with wearing this wig all year around. Now, once again, you guys do check out UNice. I will have all the details and information listed in the info section below. Definitely use my discount code, which is UNiceVPart, in order to save 10% off of your purchases and receive a free silk robe. UNice also does have Afterpay and Klarna, so definitely utilize that option, so therefore you don't have to splurge all at once. You can break up your payments into 4 equal payments that you can pay throughout the weeks. Everything will be listed down below. You guys let me know what you guys think about these V-part wigs, and I am here for it. They're cute, but the next time I'll definitely be blending in my natural hair in with it. I think that'll look more natural in my opinion. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.